18s. Again, we've got some very clear goals on this, very nice entrance. Just it would be nice for this should be Fred leading here. So Fred should be first in. Fred can be kind of filling in this section a little more so that we can get Marconi and Manuel coming through the door a little bit more together. So imagine that as Manuel gets into the tunnel now, Fred, that Marconi's left hand can stay close to there. And so the only way that can happen is if you get a little bit ahead of the count. Just a fraction. And it will stop this reach. You see that reach that Manuel's got now on the build? It'll stop that happening. Okay, so we're looking for the 270, the rotation. Very nice, guys. We're also looking for that level between inside the piece. So we're not going for that big up and down that we saw from the front pair. Obviously the bottom pair, it should be easier because you don't have anywhere to go. You should be just relatively close to the net, which is perfect. So you guys go down a little bit, relatively close to the net and staying on level and then coming back up to catch. And then the front pair, not lifting so much, which is very good. See that, Felipe? Really nice now. And in fact, I think I mentioned it to you, Felipe, when I'm doing this slot, I say arch because it's so easy to get too much pitch. But now look at that, how you and Manuel are completely level with each other with that concept of those two discs. And then we've got the cross to here, and then we can see where the catch is going to happen to the rotation. Fantastic job. I know, like, this is a change in technique, guys, from how we started a few years ago, for sure. And if you watch Airspeed, for example, they still go for a much straighter block. But if you watch Hayabusa, they go for more of a rotation. I've tried both. We've talked about both. This technique is really suiting you guys well. So I feel like it's a technique that works well for the team and well for this tunnel. And it's great to see you guys so stoked for that. It's been a lot of work on that block. And you know what? Little bits of it will break again, but now we've been through that process, we know what we're looking for, you'll be able to put yourself back on track with it very quickly. And guess what? We need to see that stuff in B slot soon as well. Haha.